make the clean and green smoothie, you will need 12 ounces or 1.5 cups of coconut water, 1 handful of spinach, half a cucumber, a tablespoon of both cilantro or coriander and parsley, a 1/2 inch knob of ginger, and half a lime peeled, plus a tablespoon of chia seeds. This smoothie is fantastic. It's green, it's great for detoxing. It has no additional fruit sugars. If you're hardcore and you really want to make it even greener without any sweetness, you can use water instead of coconut water. But I find that this adds a nice subtle sweetness to it. Plus you got the added benefits of the electrolytes with the coconut water. In with the spinach, in with the cucumber, rich in silica, great for your connective tissues, hair, skin and nails. Parsley and cilantro you cannot beat when it comes to drawing heavy metals out of the body. Ginger, medicinal as you can get. Lime, fantastic. Adds a little bit of sweetness without the sugar. And the chia seeds, you know, I say 1 tablespoon. You can use a little bit less or a little bit more. It depends on your preference. Some people like a lot of chia, some people like just a little bit. But it's great to have that fat in there, the omega-3 fatty acids, to help stabilize a little bit of that sugar from the coconut water. Okay, on we go and let's blend it up. And that is the clean and green smoothie. Super hydrating, super green, super delicious. And if you're feeling a bit funky, you can use a red polka dot straw. Enjoy.